Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to judges. My name is Nofadisha Nabila binti Mazadan, and today I will present to you about our project Wheelchair Adaptive Stroller. Normally, the people who cannot walk freely must use the wheelchair, and to be more specific is Wheelchair Adaptive Stroller is help them to walk freely and easily even though they need to bring along the baby. The concept of an attachment for the stroller and the wheelchair we will produce is to make easier for the needed people or community, especially for disabled people who don't walk on the wheelchair. Due to the common issue of disabled people who are using wheelchair to move around are facing problem to go out with their baby without any monitoring from family member. Due to the common issue of disabled people who are using wheelchair to move around are facing problem to go out with their baby without any monitoring from family member. They are having trouble to move the wheelchair while carrying their baby since both acts require both of their hands. In this situation, they will not be able to go out with baby by their own without any supervision from family members since they need someone to push or pull the wheelchair or carrying their baby. This problem can be observed at the shopping complex or at the park. Disabled people with wheelchair who are carrying a baby unable to move anywhere when temporarily abandoned by their family or caregiver. The objective of this project are to design and innovate a product with some additional function to be used for user or disabled people and also give a solution for community application. Next, to propose a multi-purpose attachment that can be easily for stroller, whether to going up or down, also can push or pull the stroller. 3 manufacturing processes will take part in the production of this product. The last one is to give more safety for the user or disabled people to carry the baby while sitting on the wheelchair. Next is functionality of the product. Firstly, the function of this product is to help the people with special needs, especially parents who are using wheelchair that has baby under their care. Next function of this product is it can reduce the time it takes to lift the baby from the stroller to the car. Another function of this product is to make sure that the baby is in a safety condition since it is not safe to carry around the baby by holding them. The function of this product is it will increase the performance of the stroller compared to other strollers. For the last function is it has a high potential due to this disabled people can depend on their own without anyone else guide because it is very easy to attach and detach the attachment for the wheelchair. There are several components of parts in this product. Firstly is spacer. The function of this spacer is to tighten the screw on the wheel. Second component is upper framework. The function of upper framework is lightweight and easy to control. Also, the material used is easy to weld. The third component is bracket. The function of this bracket is to ensure that the wheels are not easily removed and loose. Next function is trolley. The function of this trolley is to help the pusher easy to push the stroller while sitting on the wheelchair. Next component of this product is lower framework. The function of lower framework is lightweight, easy to attach at the wheelchair, not easy to crack, and for the last one is the material used is easy to weld. The last component of this product is wheel. The function of wheel is connected to a freely rotating member. Next, it is allow great maneuverability and provide good control for the pusher. And the last one is it can reduce vibration, acting on the baby and the pusher's hand.
Assalamualaikum and hi sir, my name is Nur Atira Asna binti Muhammad Raus, and what I'm going to present in this presentation is about the product drawings and engineering analysis. So the first drawing shows the upper frame. Upper frame is the parts where is the baby car seat will be placed, and the second one is the lower frame. At the lower frame there is a hinge. Hinge is the component that are going to grip and attach to a wheelchair. And the third one is the spacer. Spacer is something in the wheel. And number 4 is the wheel. For the wheel, we choose wheels that is rotatable by choosing the wheel that has 260 rotation. And the last one is the bracket. We move to the view of the product. First one is the orthographic view. Orthographic view is the 3 standard view of the product. And the exploded view is showing the relationship or the order of the assembly of the various part in this in the product. And the last one is the isometric drawing that is visually represent 3D objects in technical or engineering drawing. For the engineering analysis is the compositional, where it is going to analyzing or estimating each of the component, operation or failure mechanism in the product. So we are going to determine structural analysis for our product, and it is going done by simulation in SolidWorks. So we use FEA approach, which is finite element analysis. So in the simulation, we are going to analyze static stress on the upper frame and the lower frame by placing 200 Newton force acting on it. We are going to analyze von Mises stress, displacement, strain, and factor of safety in the product. So we can see the first one is the result for the whole product when force are acting on it, and the second one is the result for the baby carrier framework, and the third one is the result for the lower frame part. Okay, at the lower frame part, when the maximum force are acting on it, at the intersection of the foot plate, we can see there is a deformation occur, and the area having a higher von Mises stress. Higher stress appear in the light blue and the green color.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Sulaiman, and now I'm going to explain about our product costing. So these are three main components in our product costing. The first component is variable cost. Variable cost consists of two costs. The first one is material cost. This slide shows the full list of material cost to produce one wheelchair adaptive stroller. So the total cost for the raw material is RM198.30. The second one is labor cost. If we have a 0.6 workers and the minimum salary in Malaysia is RM1,000, the labor cost for a month should be RM6,000. And we also expect that 540 units of this product produced in a month. The second component is fixed cost. Fixed cost is a cost that a company has to pay every month in order to produce the product. So the total amount that company need to pay is RM11,020 each month. Next, the cost to manufacture the product is RM229.80 each. We have set 40% of profit margin. So the profit margin is RM91.90. The selling price for the product is RM321.70 each. The unit contribution margin of this product is RM123.40. Okay, this slide shows the break-even point data table. The table consists of fixed cost, variable cost, total cost outcome, and sales income. The table shows the data from 0 unit until 540 units. By using the data in previous slide, the line graph is constructed. Based on the line graph constructed, we can also get the value of break-even point. The red dot shows the break-even point value. So the value for the break-even point is 89 unit and RM28,631.30. The last part in product costing is return of investment. Return of investment means the percentage of investment gains compare favorably to its cost. So the return of investment for this product is 51.94%.
Hi everyone, my name is Bilbaru Sigar, and in this video, I'm going to present to you about the sustainability of safety and also the environmental element for the development of our product. The reason why we need to consider the sustainability of our product is because we want to make sure that our product is very eco-friendly, it doesn't harm the nature, and also it can be used in a long period so that we can preserve the natural resource of the earth. So for our product, which is the wheelchair adaptive stroller, we choose aluminium as the material for our product. Why do we choose aluminium? This is because aluminium is one of the sustainable material in the world. Why is so sustainable? Because aluminium is very lightweight, it is durable, and also is highly recyclable. And also, it only requires 5% of energy to create a primary aluminium. Okay, since the aluminium is quite highly recyclable, which means the natural resource can be preserved. And also, though the aluminium is recyclable, it doesn't affect the property of the material itself. And also, since the aluminium have this lightweight property, which means it can contribute to the efficiency of the transportation. Because it's very light, it can reduce the fuel consumption to transport the material from the main factory to another factory. And because of that, it can also reduce the fuel consumption that can contribute to the decrease of CO2 emission. Or because of that also, it can also reduce the greenhouse effect and the global warming on the earth. And also, as you can see here, these are some of the data that I collected regarding the use of energy to process this product, and also some of the data for the CO2 footprint. So our hopes when we try to develop this product is to help the people in need, especially the disabled parents who are trying to take care of their young child, and we want to try to make their life easy. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.